Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we discuss about which technology you need to learn to become big data engineer. So now I can explain one of I have been given at least last 2 month interview for practicing it for because I want to learn it. So that the thing I am given interview. So there is which type of technology nowadays need to learn you properly so that you will be crack interview. As a fresher, you want to be give interview as a experience based. So you want to become big data developer, right? Developer, developer. So you need to learn first of all you learn properly all the points you need to learn from which is SQL, which stand is structure query language. So within SQL, you will learn to how to calculate, how to extract data from second highest salary, third highest salary, right? Also find duplicate records. Also how explore function you will need to calculate subqueries, right? And window functions. You need to be learn properly those things, basic things you need to learn. And also is high salary, right? Max salary, high salary, second second high salary second high salary. And also most of the thing they'll ask you also group wise. In means suppose there is a one is department and there is employees also. So department wise high salary, because in the company there is different department, right? Technical department, testing department, production departments. So department wise high salary you want to extract data with the help of SQL. So you will do SQL. With the help of SQL you exactly you will retrieve. So window function is also important, right? Window functions you also learn properly. Window function like uh, rank, row number, row number, and also the dense rank, dense rank. So in the here is main difference is rank and dense rank. Rank has a gap when same attribute came to next attribute we shift. So there is a gap. When you learn next lecture, we will properly see. And dense rank has no gaps. So this thing here is very important. So also the main questions you will ask to find duplicate values. Find duplicate values, get value, and joins. Joins is also important. Inner join, left left join, right join, cross join. So this type of joins, right? so you learn properly. And there is one question is also asked, one question you will, they will provide you, and say all the joins you will calculate it one by one. So this type of question we will also learn all the importance question, so that you will need to crack interview properly. So with the help, you follow my channel and subscribe, so that whenever we important questions we will learn, so that you easily find it, easily learn from it, easily you will need to crack your interview. Because our motto to crack your interview as soon as possible. So I will give tips how you will do, how you will learn it to interview, how you will help your interview to be, you will crack as soon as. So important questions we will discuss. Another one function is also need to properly learn Apache Spark, right? Apache Spark, Spark, Apache Spark. You will go for go Scala base as well. So I need to explain. PySpark is also very simple. PySpark, right? It is easy to learn it, and all the data frame, RDDs, data set, we will uh, do here and proceed. It's almost when you try to solve query. So any question you will find, right? Any question, right? So during that time you try to solve same question by Spark as well, yeah, Scala as, right. So Scala and PySpark, it is almost 70 to 80% as it is, right? Come on, only here is in Scala. So there is two things to starting time use, uh, where and while. So where is a variable, we can change any data we provide, but while is not mutable, it is immutable, means we never be changed. Once we create, we never be change it. So that thing we will provide it when we try to solve it. So within here is data is also explained here, and PySpark you will learn same thing here, right? There is explode function is also used, window function, you will calculate here, filters, join, stacks, pi, piot, unpiot, right? So expression function you will also need to explain, word count. One of interview also we call how to calculate in word count, right? word word count, word count is also need to help, word count related question they also ask. So how you calculate it, how you find it in word count, when we count is map function, flat map function use, and reduce by function, reduce by function you can use. So reduce by, and this type of function is very help to solve. So here you need to solve it properly. I little bit confused map, flat map, and reduce by key, right? One of function is reduce by key after flat map, reduce by key. So this function you will calculate it word by count. Another one you need to learn hive. Most of the company they needed to hive. In the hive you will learn like internal table, internal internal table and external table properly. External external table external table, and also partition and buckets. Partition and buckets. Partitions and buckets is also important in here. So in the hive, when you doing it properly, you learn it, and also their properties. Also here is indexing, right? Indexing, how you will provide index. So this thing hive is also important, and you optimization technique is also need to help you in Apache Spark. Also, I want to one thing is also add here, optimization technique. Optimization, optimization optimization technique we will add here. Another one is the scoop. Scoop is also help you. Scoop basically data you will migrate from relational database management system to HDSF, which is also called import, and HDSF to relational database. It will be, you will migrate data one from to another from. So here we can think it is use it is it is useful useful for migration migration of data, right, from where, relational database management system. And relational management system, like we can transfer data within MySQL to HDSF. Yeah, external source. Here we use external source. So in here, two things we will migrate one from to another scope. Another one is also important, which is Impala. Is the same like Impala. Impala and Hive almost same, but Hive is the batch processing, and Impala is memory, and which is used for the streaming data. Streaming data. It helps to be streaming data. So right. So you will also learn Impala. Another important tool, which is shell script. Most of the interview they also ask shell script. So basically this command, when you learn HDSF command in Hadoop system. So so here almost same commands like HDSF and shell script, because those things will be calculated and running with the help of HDSF requirement for shell script, right? So like Linux and Unix, also their parts shell script. So also here is streaming data. For most company they use Kafka as well, which is streaming purpose. They help little bit edge base. So important, you need to learn properly those things. So edge base and Kafka, it is skill set only. And you can add also airflow. Nowadays many companies, they will ask related airflow. It is that process to process your data. So airflow is also important, right? You will learn properly so that you easily, you will need to call many interviewers so that you learn it. Another one is a various cloud based technology you will learn, like AWS, Azure, Azure Techniques, and CGP. This Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Google Cloud Platform you will also learn. Anyone, you know, many source available on YouTube. There is AWS, so that you will go through AWS and Azure. So now next lecture we will learn SQL related importance questions, Apache PySpark related important questions, and Hive related importance question. We will learn it properly. And so these techniques you need to follow properly, right? This SQL, HDSF, right? This one is also important. HDSF, self script, Apache Scoop, Hive. So those technique you properly learn and you will go on. Basic things to need also basic languages, core Java, right? Core Java and Python. Python is also required to learn. Java and Python, you need to only learn core Java. It not deep on Java properly. Learn it. So only you properly learn Python so that you will easily get anything during solve problem related to PySpark. When you learn it properly, then yeah, definitely help you. So I hope so. This lecture you will help. So next lecture we will learn properly and upload it. Let's see any problem, anything. So this is the first lecture. A second lecture I have taken it. So you need to manage me. You need to be handle me properly so that definitely in day by day I will best content we will provide you, best answer or previous question we will discuss, right? Thanks to watch my our YouTube channel, not my, our also, right? So let's to end. Next video we will be join as soon as possible, and thanks to watch, really really